Did you know a brisk walking routine can help your health more than you think? It's a simple, accessible exercise that offers a surprising array of benefits. First, let's talk about your heart. Regular brisk walking strengthens your cardiovascular system. It lowers blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart disease, and improves circulation. Next, consider your mind. Walking can be a powerful stress reliever. It boosts endorphins, which are natural mood elevators, helping to reduce anxiety and depression. Need to shed a few pounds? Brisk walking burns calories and helps manage weight. It's a low-impact way to get fit without putting excessive strain on your joints. And speaking of joints, walking actually lubricates them and strengthens the muscles around them. This can help alleviate stiffness and improve mobility, especially as we age. What about your immune system? Studies show that regular walkers have fewer sick days. Walking can enhance immune function, making you more resilient to colds and other illnesses. For better sleep, try a walk. It can regulate your sleep cycles, leading to deeper, more restful slumber. Remember to maintain a brisk pace, one where you can still talk but not easily sing. So, lace up your shoes and step out. Your body and mind will thank you for it.